Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I wanted to get on here real quick and talk a little bit about why we've been silent the last couple weeks. This building behind us here, 6211 South Adams Street, y'all might know it as the home of Turbo Technology. It's been Tacoma, Washington's longest standing speed shop. 35 years almost here. Probably dyno serial number 001 from DynoJet. George has had it for a really long time. So I'll make this short and sweet. This video is going to be pretty much about what we have going on. This building behind me, Turbo Technology, Kaiser Motorsports, and our F-150 build. We are currently under negotiations to buy this building and the business from George Scott. I should say we're under contract. Hopefully everything should be finalized here by the end of the month, but we're growing. So we've taken on Turbo Technology, all of its employees and assets, as well as the building. And this is Kaiser Motorsports' home for the unforeseeable future. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We're tearing down the F-150 motor. Chris is gonna get mad because we're bouncing around on this week's YouTube stuff. We got the valve covers off the old 21 F-150 motor. You can see all the VDE stuff's in there. They're so much taller. They've got the cam tray built into the head. That top inch about looks like. All the VDE stuff's there. We're getting ready to pop the timing cover off. Dana's drawn a nice board to keep the stuff organized. And yeah, so we're getting the motor torn down. We marked the timing cover. We're gonna put our return bungs for the turbo system. We're gonna go right there and right there. And yeah, we're gonna delete the oil cooler here. I've got a remote oil filter adapter from Motion Raceworks. Maybe Chris can pop it up on the screen for Coyote. And we're gonna use a Clear View Filtration Systems oil filter mount for a big block Chevy oil filter and mount it somewhere in the bay. So when I grenade this thing,
oh, my motor just blew.
and we can see all the sparkly metal going through the oil. Doesn't that sound great, Dana? Also, yesterday was Dana's birthday. He turned 76. I don't know if you can see that in his face.
76,
76 years old. Still spry.
42.
Still got a little pep in his step. He got a haircut. He's also wearing the pack wrap Kaiser Motorsports hoodie today. There's Jacob. He's looking on the Dodge. F-150 motor teardown has started. Our short block from RPG should be here this week or next. And that's a pile of all the electronics off the motor. What really sucks about these Coyote motors is no matter what you do to the engine bay, you can't make them look good. You know, the Gen 3, Gen 4 stuff's impossible to wire tuck, impossible to make look decent. So we're gonna do our best when we put this thing together so that it looks nice. And oh yeah, rocking the Keltrack gear today. Maybe Chris can flip this around. Kelly Akins from Keltrack sent me new shocks and struts and coilovers for the F-150. And Turbo kit showed up yesterday from Basie Performance Fabrication. Brandon Basie, super cool guy. Trannies are on the way back from Midnight Performance for mine and Tyler's. And that's it for your F-150 update.
We're taking apart this Coyote.
Gen 4. F1 shitty.
Gen 5.
Ooh, look at these. These things are gay. The DOD shits, those are gay. Those are going away.
Yeah. But what we did was, this whole cap right here comes off, holds the cams, and looks like this when you take it off.
So
making a Friday morning mess.
Hey, you shut your mouth. You don't talk to me like that.
This is ridiculous.
I am Papa.
This is ridiculous. This is not certified.
I was excited.
This is certified bullshit. Right?
You're a certified dick.
Timing cover, oil returns.
It really isn't too bad. If I'm being honest with you, like I thought it was going to be a lot harder to take apart, but
so we're keeping these heads.
We are going to reuse these heads.
Yep.
On the new built short block. I think that Ford did a pretty good job on this design. It's cool. It's easy to pop apart. It's a little intimidating when you first look at it, but think it is pretty neat. It's so I think these oil squirters, obviously when they shut down those cylinders, these keep the, I want to say they keep the cam lubed up.
Yeah, they're like snakes all over the damn top of the engine.
Snakes on a plane.
Yeah, snakes on a plane.
Snakes on a plane.
But I think we're good. I think this is definitely the way to do it. We don't have to retime the secondaries. Like super cake. It's right there on the, check it out, Jacob, the tray's right there. I didn't even take the cans out of it. I did get a little crazy because I'm excited. Mind you people, this is my motor, so I shit up on it as we learn. Excuse the language. I did definitely round out a cam tray bolt. I was getting a little excited with the old snap-on impact and
yeah, and if anybody ever gets to that situation, just use a 5/16.
just hammer that 5/16 on
and
it.
it'll come right out.
Oh yeah, 100%. Don't mind the mess, people. Don't mind the mess. Oh,
but it is Friday, and
oh, there we go. We did another one.
These are
I'm
cute.
gonna need the 5/16 again.
Here we go.
These things are very temperamental. So I recommend do not get too excited pulling it apart because you will have to fight these little guys. What's up? Where's our 5/16 at? You still got it out here?
I will grab it.
There we go. They got one head already done with the PAC 1281X springs and the titanium retainers. These are an absolute pain in the booty, but well worth it. This is the tool that everybody told us to get from Amazon, and it doesn't work. So the boys got the end mill jigged up over here, and they made their own tool to pull these springs out. Pretty interesting, but we'll try to catch them doing a couple on camera. But this is the tool that they made to pull the springs out. That one that I showed you guys, it doesn't work. There's not enough room. So this goes in the end of the end mill like so, and then they can push down each spring as they go. Uses obviously stock keepers, locks, or whatever you want to call them. But we replaced the retainers with titanium and the springs with the PAC 1281X. This is Gen 4 Coyote F-150 heads. Pretty cool. You can see the end mill push down on the spring there. Thank you. All right, let's see if I can help Bob without him getting too upset with me. All right, there they are right there, and then we just come up with it, and the spring is ready to come out. And pull that guy out. Pretty neato. George has the new spring and the titanium retainers. Maybe you can hit it in one shot. Gives it a little white lithium grease so the keepers have something to hold on to. Pain in the booty. But the end mill definitely makes all the difference, huh? Be damn near impossible without it. Damn it. Got really good at it. But anyways, you guys get the point. So we'll leave these guys alone. Let them get back to their thing.
One eternity later.
All right, this is our 21 F-150 that we've posted about. You guys have seen it on the channel. Space white, pretty cool truck. It came with a Whipple on it. These 20-inch Bogart Eliminator D10s on all four corners. We've since ordered a whole new set of these Bogarts, 15 by 10 at the rear, 17 by 4.5 in the front. It has a Raptor swap interior, but as you can see, we took the Whipple off and pulled the stock motor out. We installed the RPG Stage 2.5 short block. It's got a Midnight Performance built 10R80 in it. Coyote Direct's been a big help. We've been installing a lot of parts with the help of David Van Voris. Of course, we've got the Turbo Smart 6466s on here with their 45mm hyper gates. This is a Basie Performance Fabrication twin turbo system. Fitment's pretty much on point. Plasma man's sweet. If you guys have ever had to put a Plasma man on a Gen 4 Coyote, man, what a pain in the ass. I hope Plasma man comes out with runners that fit these F-150s here pretty soon. But thought we'd go over this thing real quick and kind of show you what we have going on. And I hope you like it. We've got a set of TBM brakes on the shelf ready to go on it. Like I said, we're waiting on those Bogarts. The new ones. kind of dark in there, but kind of see it's been all interior swapped and all that cool stuff. So anyways, there's your quick update on the truck. Quick update on why we've been kind of quiet the last couple weeks, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video here, and we're gonna get back at it and start pumping out some really good content for you guys to watch, and we're really excited.